Inequalities.
What is an inequality?
An inequality is a mathematical sentence that compares expressions. It contains the symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. To write an inequality, look for the following phrases to determine where to place the inequality symbol.
Refer to this graph for further instructions.
Combine the phrases to form an inequality. This particular inequality would be a number q plus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 7.9.
Graphing inequalities. When graphing an inequality, an open circle is used when a number is not a solution. Therefore, when the sign is less than or greater than. When the graphing an inequality, a closed circle is used when a number is a solution. Therefore, when the sign is less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to.
Use an arrow for the graph to represent the continuous direction of the graph. If the sign is less than, the arrow points to the left. And if the sign is greater than, the arrow points to the right.
For example, to graph the equation y is greater than negative 8, you would put an open circle on negative 8 and then put the arrow pointing to the left.
Refer to this graph for further instruction.
Examples. Examples. Graph this inequality. R is less than or equal to negative 9.
It is a
Closed circle.
Because negative 9 is negative, the arrow continues to the left.
Addition and subtraction of inequalities.
when you add the same number to each side of an inequality, the inequality remains true. Use inverse operations to isolate the variable and eventually find the solution.
Like addition, you can solve inequality using subtraction.
Multiplication and division of inequalities.
Example, x times 2 is less than or equal to 6. To undo the equation, you use the inverse operation and graph the equation. Two-step inequality example. Use the inverse operation just like you would for a two-step equation. Then graph the inequality. The end!